In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split cells, rows, and columns in Microsoft Word. In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to split a single cell in a Microsoft Word table into multiple cells. This can be useful when you need to divide information within a table and want more rows or columns in a specific area. Let's start by opening the document that contains the table you want to edit. Once you have your table ready, select the cell that you want to split. Make sure you click inside the correct cell before continuing, because the split operation will be applied to the selected cell. After selecting the cell, right-click on it to open the context menu. From the available options, look for Split Cells and select it. This will open the Split Cells dialog box, where you can choose how you want to divide the selected cell. In the dialog box, you'll see options for the number of columns and rows. For this example, select 1 column and 5 rows. Once you've entered these settings, click OK to apply the changes. As you can see, the single cell that we selected has now been divided into 5 separate cells. The cells are arranged vertically because we selected 1 column and 5 rows. This gives you 5 individual areas where you can enter or organize information. You can also split cells using the Table Tools options in Microsoft Word. To do this, first select the cell that you want to split. When a cell inside a table is selected, the Table Tools options will become available. From the Table Tools area, go to the Layout tab. Look for the Split Cells option and select it. Just like before, the Split Cells dialog box will appear. Here, you can choose the number of columns and rows you want to create from the selected cell. For this example, select 1 column and 5 rows, then click OK. Once again, you'll see that the single cell has been divided into 5 separate cells. The result is the same, but this method gives you another way to access the Split Cells command directly from the Table Tools. Remember that the number of columns and rows you choose determines how the selected cell will be divided. Selecting 1 column and 5 rows creates 5 cells vertically, while different settings can divide the cell into a different arrangement. So, that's how you can split a cell into multiple rows or columns in Microsoft Word. You can use the right-click menu or the Layout tab under Table Tools, depending on which method is more convenient for you. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,